My name's Kathy from Trauger. I had a bay window installed from Mount Pleasant Window and Remodeling Company, and I just wanted to say how happy I was with it and with the crew that installed it. Their names was Joe, Charlie, Eric, David, and Joe, and they were really professionals. They took care of my house. They put stuff down on the carpeting, hung the tarp, cleaned everything up afterwards, and installed it. They didn't even stop for lunch. They said nope. They wanted to get the window put in, and we're really happy with the window. It's just perfect. It made the house look really nice and updated, and we were happy with the window itself when they showed us how it was insulated inside and how well it was constructed. It was better than any that we've seen before and what we had before. And like I said, we're just really excited and pleased with it. And everybody that I see, I tell them to look at my new front window. And I'd refer anybody to them because of the manner that they deal with it. They always kept us informed as to what all was going on with it, how it was progressing, and if we had any questions, any problems, anything, they were always there. Like I said, I'd refer them to anybody. It's a great company and a great window.